friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I'm being a little quiet because even though I'm upstairs, my husband's downstairs and he's napping. So I know he can't hear me, the TV's on down there, but I feel like I'm still talking more quiet. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today, and my room's, it doesn't look any different to you, the room, but my room's a little different because we finally got my makeup vanity into the bathroom that we've been redoing, and I don't have all my like makeup and stuff over on this little table, and I have so much space. I have so much space for activities. Anyway, we're opening up our Stitch Fix box with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. If you haven't watched my FabFitFun video, I'll link that over here. I think it's over here. This is my watch from my FabFitFun. I've been wearing it like every day. It's really good. It's leather and everything. Check that out. It was the summer FabFitFun unboxing. It's summer. It's bare shoulder season, baby. Here we go. I've been in my pool, getting some tan. We're opening up the box. I don't know. I feel quiet today. It's quiet in here. It's a different vibe. They send you the mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I'll put a referral link down below. If you want to try it, you can get $25 towards your first box. They send you the invoice, which we go over at the end, and the sell note. It's actually a little early, my box. I think because maybe my last box was so late, they just sent these ones early. Hey Rachel, Caitlin here. I'm so happy to have been able to style you again today. I hope you're enjoying the weather, warming up, and getting ready for some pool or beach days. I'm so happy to see you loved your last fix. It was a great fix, kept everything. And I hope this one continues to knock it out of the park. I found some great items for you this time around, and I can't wait to hear how it goes. There's nothing better than a great fitting pair of pants for your closet. Light denim is a staple for your wardrobe. I don't have a lot of light denim. Today I am wearing some light denim joggers from Kohl's. These jeans are going to, it's a staple. These jeans are going to look amazing with each and every one of these adorable tops. The orange option from the General Good is just asking to be paired with a cute pair of wedges and a summer bag. Speaking of bags, if you need a cute summer option, let me know, XO Caitlin. I don't think so. I don't think I need a bag right now. I just found a few from like cleaning out stuff and donating, and I think I'm good. So if you watch this, Caitlin, I'm good. Thank you for asking though. All right. Look at her little bundle. She's so summery. All right, we're breaking down the box as we go. And like I said before, I do have scissors here, but I don't like to open the box with scissors. What if I pierce something? So I wait until the box is empty. That's why the screwdriver is nice, because it just cuts through the tape, not through anything beneath. Anyway, we're breaking down the box as we go into the pile. All right, let's open her up. This cup is so pretty. So I think I picked 4 of the items from the Fix preview, and then just let her fill in the last one. So look how cute that is. It's so summery, springy. I think it'd be good for work. Super cute. And that is the Kaylee Aisha Scoop Neck Knit Top in teal green, size large. Stretchy neck. You could probably wear it off the shoulder too, but I feel like that just makes my shoulders look wider. But whatever. And next we have by Luck the Tie Front Top in burnt orange. I used to have some like this from Luck. I think I still have a pink one. So I thought this was cute. I think it'd be really good in the fall too. We shall see. This is the one that she filled in that I didn't pick, and it is the General Good Ledger Off Shoulder Mesh Knit Top in orange. So this is like a cold shoulder, which I don't mind cold shoulders as much as I do just like off the shoulders. It's mesh, and it's got the elastic on the bottom. That could be cute. I don't have anything like it. This one is by Lush, and it's the Dobby, Harry Potter? No, okay. Lush Dobby Peplum Knit Tank in light green, size large, with adjustable straps. That's cute. It's kind of getting washed out from my light, but it's like a aqua-y teal color. That's cute. I like the ruffle. And then last we have the jeans. These feel super soft. These are the Just USA Lola Skinny 5-button fly chew hem jean in indigo. These feel super soft, but I liked these. I'm not huge on the button hem just because I feel like it doesn't like suck in enough, I guess. But look at the hem. I thought that was cute. I don't have anything like it. We'll see how long it goes on my short legs, but yeah, I thought that was cute. Look at that stretch. Okay, let's try everything on. Here's those joggers real quick from Kohl's. They come in a bunch of colors. They have this one, a dark denim, and then they have like green, black, and I think maybe like a brownish tone. This top's from Stitch Fix, but I just wanted to show you the joggers real quick without my tripod falling down. So I think they're kind of cute. They have the tightness around the ankle. Anyway, I thought they were light and comfy for summertime, so. All right, let's try stuff on. Here's the first outfit. Here's my pile of clothes. I think this is really cute. I like the top a lot. It's like knit, and this is sewn across, so it's not gonna come apart. I think that's cute with the ruffle. Here's the back. I think that's really cute. And then the jeans are really comfy. They're stretchy. They're really soft. Let me pan down. Real time. We'll pan down. Hello. On the jeans. I think they're cute. I like where the length hits me. If you can see that. It's like right at the ankle. I wish I was kind of getting these jeans in the fall. But I mean, I can save them for the fall. I think they're really cute. Here's the back. They're really, really comfy. Super comfy. Oh, I think this top's cute. I don't have a lot of tank tops because I don't really like to wear strapless bras. I'm wearing one today with that other top. And I'll link down below where I got it from. I got it from Amazon, and it's actually pretty comfy. It's just I'm not used to it, so it feels weird. But yeah, this is pretty cute for first outfit. Let's try on the other tops. I'm just gonna try all the tops on with these jeans. This is cute. I do have it in like a pink already, so I don't know if I need another one. Especially, I think it's more like kind of a fall color, but it's really comfy and pretty and light. Like it's a light material, so it would be good for summer. I don't think I need another one right now. But it's cute. And also, I don't know if I'm over like the tie in the front. I was really into it for a long time. I think I would tie it more so like in a bow so it doesn't hang down as far, you know what I mean? But it's cute. I like the other top better so far, especially for summer. But yeah, it's cute. Let's do more. Here's the purple top. I think it's adorable. Look at those little fluttery sleeves. There's a mirror over here. If this is your first time here, there's a mirror. Look at those little fluttery sleeves. Now, I would tuck it in, probably especially for work. Let me see. I'll just do a front tuck for right now. But look, it's so cute. Let me gather the back. These jeans are super comfortable. That's adorable. Like, my hair back gives kind of like a nice neckline. It's like kind of like a square neckline, but I think you could, I'm not used to wearing a strapless bra, but you could wear it down like that too, I think. Maybe you're supposed to. Let me see if it says. Dun, 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 dun. It just says Aisha scoop neck knit top, so it doesn't say like off the shoulder top. But that's actually pretty cute. Why do I like that? Like that. I don't have any off the shoulder tops like that. And if it stays, of course it's not going to stay down, but maybe. Can I wear an off the shoulder top? I'm not used to it. It's weird. It's weird looking. That's cute. That's cute top. Here's the back. Here's what the back looks like when the sleeves are up. This is a contender. Because I could wear, okay, hear me out. I could wear it to work with my sleeves up and then like immediately go out for like a summer drink or something and just pull it down and it's a completely different look. It's almost like a twofer. Okay, let's try on the last top. This might be the keeper. These jeans are really comfortable too, but I don't want to wear jeans in the summer. And I could always, you know, just note the kind that I like and like see if they're available more in the fall. Okay, let's try on the last top. This one's like a strawberry lemonade. It's really cute. God, what a good box, Caitlin. Jeez Louise. You're knocking it out of the park. Like, this is like, except for the one top, which I just don't need right now, this is like a 5 for 5. Like, that other top looks good. I just don't have a need for it right now. Nor do I really have a need for the jeans right now. But this is super cute. Sorry, I'm just like checking myself out in the mirror, I mean in the camera. This is cute. Okay, let's see. Now it does ride up. When you lift up your arms, it's gonna ride up on you because it's a crop top. But let me, I mean, I usually always wear my hair down, but in the summertime, I'll clip it up or something. These are staying down. These have elastic, so they'll stay put. I tightened up the straps. Here's the back. This is cute too. Okay, we have some decisioning to do. Let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? That's on brand for me. Okay, good prices. Gosh darn. Okay, the Just USA, I mean, it's good, but like that tempts me to keep more things. The Just USA Lola Skinny 5-button fly to hem jean in indigo, size 14, $58. The Luck, L-U-Q, R-H-E-E, tie front top in burnt orange, size large, $40. The Kaylee, I love Kaylee. Aisha scoop neck knit top in teal green, $38. I definitely want to keep that because like I said, I think I could wear it to work and then I could just put it on my shoulders and it'd be a grand old time. I want to keep that for sure. The Lush Dobby Peplum knit tank in light green, $36. I really liked that too. I don't have many tank tops like I said. I have this one and then I have the same top in two different, I have one that's in like a solid reddish maroon color and then I have the other one is like a striped blue and white and yellow. So those are like my only tank tops I have. So I think I want to keep this one too. And then the General Good Ledger off shoulder, it cuts it off shoulder mesh knit top in orange, size large, $38. So I don't think I want to keep the jeans right now. They were really comfy. That's the Just USA brand. So I think that's good for the future to know that I like that brand and that I like that style. That's my calendar. Let me add up what the 3 tops would be. Okay, if I keep the 3 tops, it'd be $112. And Stitch Fix math, man. Okay, so the whole box is $210. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making the box $157.50. So for $40 more, you know, $45 more, and keep the jeans and the other top too. Stitch Fix math. I do have, I think like $96 in credit right now. So yeah, so it would be $62 out of pocket for the whole 5 things out of my money. I liked everything. I don't know what to do. I think do I keep everything? Do I keep everything? Gosh darn it, Caitlin. This is fix number 82 for me, by the way. Like, you'd think I'd be used to this by now. $62 out of pocket for the whole box. I think I'm gonna do it. I did like this top. I think it's just for the fall season, and I would tie this, like I said, into a bow instead of letting it hang down. The jeans were super comfy. This is a long deliberation. I think I'm gonna keep the whole box. If I don't keep the whole box, I'm only keeping the 3 tank top, or like the 3 tops. which would be like $20 out of pocket. So for $40 more, I get jeans, another top. Stitch Fix, man. All right, well, you guys, sorry to leave you hanging. It's one or the other, 3 tops or the whole box. It was a 5 for 5. Let's just call it a 5 for 5. That's what it is. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to check out my FabFitFun summer box, it's up there, or it was up there earlier in the video. You'll see it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.